Give me 5 and give you power. Hello everyone and welcome to the 28th Qianzhan International Machine Tour Exhibition at the Bodor Laser booth. We are now at the booth B1, hall number 2 of the Shenzhen International Convention and the Exhibition Center, the largest and the most prominent location of this entire show. Today marks a truly special moment as we celebrate the unveiling of the Bodor Laser recognition as a global #1 in the sales for 6 consecutive years. Bodor has officially secured the top spot for 2024, continuing its region since 2019. Our latest certification confirms a remarkable milestone, over 8,000 units sold in 2024. From 2,600 units in 2019 to more than 8,000 in 2024, this steady growth year after year reflects Bodor's cutting-edge technology and the exceptional product quality and the trust of customers worldwide. This achievement belongs not only to Bodor Laser, but to all of us. Every customer who chooses and trusts us, every partner who supported and worked with us. You have all been key to make this possible. As a token of our gratitude, we are offering a special promotion today. For every machine purchase, you all received up to $5,000 in gifts, along with the free installation and a 5-year warranty. All you need to do is send the secret code number 1 to the Bodor Laser's official emails before April 5th, and you will unlock an exclusive offer for the fiber laser cutting machine you have been dreaming of. It's a rare opportunity, so stay with us as we diving into live demonstration, breaking through technology, and a closer look at why Bodor Laser continues to lead the global laser cutting industry. As the unveiling ceremony begins, let's take a moment to explore how Bodor Laser's equipment has captured the heart of customers around the world, rising to the top in the highly competitive market with its unique strengths and undeniable appeal. At this exhibition, we have brought 5 machines, 2 sheet cut, 1 tube cutter, 1 profile cutter, and 1 handheld welding machine. They are the A6 Plus 6 kW, L3000 30 kW, and K2 6 kW, U10 20 kW, and the Echo 1200. Up next, I will give you an introduction to these popular models. Let's start with Bodor A6 Plus 6 kW, the impressive fiber laser cutting machine. The A6 Plus is engineered to deliver high cutting performance with a powerful 6 kW laser, making it a workhorse for a wide range of metal fabrication tasks. With its 6 kW of the power, the A6 Plus can slice through thick steels nearly an inch thick without breaking a sweat. And when it comes to thinner sheets, it's absolutely fly. Imagine cutting the patterns in metal almost as quickly and smooth as drawing with a maker. This speed is buckled by strong acceleration and precise motion control, so the machine reaches the full cutting speed in a blink and traces. Complex the shapes with point accuracy. The machine's build the quality also stands out. It features a solid weld frame with Bodor's advanced structure design that minimizes vibration. In plain terms, the A6 Plus stays steady and reliable even when cutting at high speeds. So you cut remain clean and consistent from the start to finish. Maintenance needs are low thanks to high quality components and thoughtful engineering. The machine spent more time cutting and very little time waiting for adjustments or service. When it comes to applications, the Bodor A6 Plus 6 kW is versatile all-rounders. It's ideal for cutting sheet metal parts for all sorts of industries, like machinery manufacturing, the agriculture equipment, the automotive parts, or even artistic metalwork. It's an entry-level machinery that truly delivers professional grade results, combining high power accuracy and the build quality in a package that makes advanced laser cutting more accessible to many businesses. To sum it up, the Bodor A6 Plus 6 kilowatts gives you a reliable, fast, and precise cutting experience. Okay, let's go check the cutting demo, ready to be impressive. Right now, I'm excited to introduce you to one of our most popular and cost-effective tube laser cutting machine, the Bodor K Series. The K Series is designed for precision, speed, and efficiency, and is ideal for companies looking to boost productivity without breaking the bank. Let's start with basics. It's equipped with a high-performance bus servo motor, which means advanced dynamic motion control and significantly improved cutting efficiency. In short, every second of the processing is optimized to creative value. Now, check out this. The machine supports a maximized feeding speed of 100 meters per minute and rotation speed at 130 revolution per minute. What does it mean for you? Fast loading, fast cutting, and more parts produced per shift. It's also achieved an ultra short tailing and short as 45 millimeter, helping you minimize material waste. And that's a real saving on every job. One of the standout feature is the trunk design. It includes smart avoidance structure that can reduce the safety distance to minimum and maximizing the material usage. The edge avoidance system combined with our self-developed following senior and past avoidance algorithm significantly reduce the risk of the collision caused by tube deformation or warping. The result, fewer interruption and the longer laser head life. And when you see the trunk in action, it clamps the material in just 2 seconds. That's right, 2 seconds, fast and secure. Let's see how fabulous it is. Let's return to the ceremony. A very special guest has been invited to this exhibition, an expert in the laser industry. He will be giving a speech right here at the Bodor Laser Expo in Chinese, but don't worry. I will providing you a real-time and accurate English translation. Yeah, on the stage is Dr. Xu, the president of Forward Industry Research Institute and the PhD from the University of California, Berkeley. Get ready to be impressed.
Distinguished leader, industry colleagues, and media friends, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Xu Wenqiang from the Qianzhan Industry Research Institute. It's a great honor to join you all in witnessing Bodor Laser's remarkable achievement. Ranked the #1 in global laser cutting machine sales for 6 consecutive years from 2019 to 2024. Through our long-term research on China's laser cutting industry, we have found that Bodor Laser is prime example of driving new quality productive forces through technical innovations. In the past 4 years, the company has invested over 430 million yuan in research and development. showcasing a strong spirit of innovation and tackling technical challenges heads-on. As it independently developed the Bodor Power Laser Source and the Bodor Genius Laser Head, have solved the problem of the cutting highly reflective material, breaking the technical multiply ones held by global giants like Bystronic, Amanda, and Trump. With the rise of the East, Bodor Laser has reshaped the previously tripular global competition landscape in the laser industry. Thanks to its strong emphasis on foundational technical innovations, the company has achieved impressive results in 2024 alone. Sales of Bodor's 1 kilowatt and above laser cutting machines exceeded 8,000 units, maintaining its top global position for the 6 consecutive years. In China, 1 out of every 12 sheet metal laser cutting machines shipped is a Bodor product. Today, China's economy has shifted from latecomer advantage based on cost to innovation driving competitive advantage. This is both a necessary path for Chinese industries to climb up the global value chain and core part of developing new quality productive forces. Let's look forward to more companies like Bodor Laser, who with long-term strategic focus and perseverance dive deep into core technical innovation and elevate Chinese manufacturing to new heights. Lastly, thank you all for your continued support and attention to the Qianzhan Industry Research Institute. We will uphold our scientific, objective, and professional approach as a technical driving industry think tank, providing strong data support and decision-making insights for the development of China's industries. Thank you all.
Now we are coming to the most exciting moment. We are about to unveil the official recognition of Bodor Laser 6 consecutive years as the global #1 in sales. This is global debut live right here. I'm truly honored to share this proud and thrilling moment with all of you watching live. As the red curtain rise, Bodor Laser begins a new journey, which is aiming for a 7th straight year at the top. Okay, join me in the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now officially confirmed for 6 years in a row, Bodor Laser leads the world in laser cutting machine sales. Bodor Laser is the world's largest seller of the laser cutting machine and proudly ranked among the top 25 global machine tools manufacturers. It is the only company on the list solely dedicated to laser cutting technology. With $1 billion invested in research and development, Bodor has built a fully self-developed ecosystem covering everything from the laser source and cutting heads to control systems, and the industrial software and the complete machine manufacturing. From 2019 to 2024, Bodor Laser has maintained the #1 position in the global laser cutting machine sales for 6 consecutive years. A clear reflection of its successful global strategy and unwavering commitment to innovation. We are proud to introduce our exclusive 5-year warranty, offering our customers extended coverage and unmatched peace of mind. This is more than just a service. It's a testament to Bodor independent research and development capability and manufacturing excellence. Every core component of our machine is independently developed and manufactured by Bodor. This allowed us to guarantee top-tier quality, faster maintenance, and unit-tempered productivity. Our 5-year warranty isn't just about fixing problems. It's about keeping your operation running at a peak performance. When you choose Bodor, you are not just getting a machine. You are getting a long-term commitment to performance and profitability. Bodor Laser offers not only comprehensive warranty coverage, but also free remote technical support, a rapid response system, and a global network of localized service teams, all to ensure worry-free operation for our customers. Choosing Bodor means investing in long-term reliability, industry-leading service, and total confidence in your production. This achievement is not Bodor Lasers alone. It belongs to all of us. Every customer who chose and trust us, every partner who supported and collaborated with us has played a vital role in reaching this milestone. To show our applications, we are offering a special promotion for our audiences today. For every machine you purchase, you will receive up to 5,000 worth of gift, along with a free installation and a 5-year warranty. All you need to do is send the secret code number 1 to Bodor Laser's official email before April 5th and unlock an exclusive offer on the fiber laser cutting machine you have been dreaming of. Bodor Laser understands that the year ahead will bring even fiercer competition, but we believe that continuous innovation and strategic investment in the technology will remain the driving forces of our success. As we keep pushing the limits, Bodor is ready to lead the industry into a thrilling new area of intelligent high-end and laser cutting solutions. We invite you to be the part of this journey and to witness the moment when Bodor Laser celebrates its 7th consecutive years as a global number 1.
Bodor, dare to dream.